Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a BMW X3. First, ensure your seat and mirrors are perfectly adjusted for comfort and clear visibility. Locate the Start/Stop button, typically near the steering column, and press it while holding the brake pedal to ignite the engine. Familiarize yourself with the automatic gear selector, usually a small lever, to engage drive, reverse, or park. Understand the basic steering wheel controls for audio and cruise control before setting off. Your BMW X3 offers various driving modes, such as Comfort for everyday cruising, Sport for a more dynamic feel, and Eco Pro to optimize fuel efficiency. You can select these using buttons near the gear selector. The intuitive iDrive system, controlled by a rotary dial, manages navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Take advantage of parking assist features, which can guide you into tight spots, and understand the active safety systems that provide an extra layer of protection on the road. To truly master your BMW X3, practice smooth acceleration and controlled braking. The vehicle's responsive engine allows for quick, yet refined power delivery. When parking, utilize the excellent visibility and available cameras to confidently execute maneuvers like parallel parking. Always maintain a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds from the car ahead, and regularly check your mirrors and blind spots to ensure awareness of your surroundings, enhancing overall road safety. To keep your BMW X3 performing at its best, adhere to the recommended service schedule, typically every 10,000 miles or 12 months. Regularly check your tire pressure, ensuring it matches the specifications found on the door jamb for optimal handling and fuel economy. Maintaining a clean interior and exterior not only preserves its aesthetic appeal, but also helps retain its resale value. Most importantly, enjoy the exceptional driving dynamics and luxurious comfort your BMW X3 provides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.